Hello. Introducing the SAMSON Clavicle Brace, a clinically designed, high-quality orthopedic support. Available in multiple sizes. Refer to the size chart shown on screen. Measure the circumference around the chest below the underarms. Remove the clavicle brace carefully from its packaging. Position the brace over both shoulders, ensuring the central back panel aligns vertically along the spine. Bring the straps forward under the arms and adjust the Velcro evenly for firm, comfortable postural support. Ensure shoulders are gently retracted without excessive pressure or restriction of breathing. To remove the product, slowly release the Velcro straps, guide the arms out carefully, and remove gently. The SAMSON Clavicle Brace is suggested for use in the following cases. Please consult a medical professional for proper guidance. SAMSON, trusted by professionals, designed for you.